I mean, look, I think the Small Ordinaries itself has been a strong performer through this year. I think all the rudiments are in place for the Small Ordinaries as a complex to continue to, in its own way, lead the market. It's been outperforming strongly versus the ASX 100. Those stocks are set to continue and extend that outperformance, is my strong opinion. I believe the quality of our benchmark, the constituent members, the names of the stocks that are in there, the companies that are in there, is as good as at any time I've seen that benchmark in 15 years of looking at this space. So we've got quality names there, and I think our sector will continue to push upwards and advance quite strongly. The Small Ordinaries Index as a group. There's two stocks that I would highlight. One we own and one we don't own. The one we own I'll talk to at some length. PWR Holdings, or PWH is the ASX code, and it's a specialist automotive manufacturer of engine cooling, intercoolers and oil coolers, based in Brisbane. It's a genuine example of an Aussie export story. No debt on balance sheet. We'll enjoy, to Jeff's point, we'll enjoy the downdraft of the Australian dollar. This particular company supply those devices, air coolants and radiators, to the motorsport industry primarily. Formula One, NASCAR, the rally segment, V8 supercars. And the upside comes from this story, not only doing such a great job there, but being able to service or supply that product to adjacent industries, conventional, commercial, automotive applications, military and trucks. So that's one stock I think will perform well. It's a future leader of our space, and I think will be prominent, will pay substantial and impressive dividends. And the other one's Baby Bunting, which listed just recently, and that's an impressive retailer, again another specialist of baby software and hardware, and that sort of business, given it's so infant, no pun intended, in terms of its rollout from 35 stores now through to 70, with substantial logistics and inventory management gains to be booked. I think that stock also performs very strongly going forward. It's that sort of business that investors in our neck of the woods, that is in the Small Ordinaries, should be busying themselves looking at. So there's two names of two stocks that I think will be prominent in our space: PWR Holdings and Baby Bunting.